believe it's the 14th. Come out my office. Hey, look at that shit. Here's the murder van. Got no windows. They can't see you when I snatch you up. For all them punk talking ass shit, niggas. Look at my little creek. That shit's fucking smooth. And it's smoking. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the island office. Look at that. Look at that. It's a murder van. That was just thick. You like the blue door? I don't give a shit. There's Tuco. Tuco. No, the Tuco from The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. Look how thick that is up there. It's like 2 below out right now. My poor little scrawny little pine tree. Look at how fucking deep that is. Look at that shit. Look how high that is. Mr. Loomis.